From Evansville.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 526, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable.
Yeah, the 120 decided to stay quiet on this one. Oh well.
Damaging winds and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 526 has been issued from 1:50 p.m. or 2:50 p.m. until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union.